With PDK, you can pull 3 different kinds of reports: people, credentials, and events. In this video, we're going to take a closer look at Credential Reports. Credential Reports are used to pull data and information based on all of the credentials that you've input into your access control system. These reports let you pull information based on credential number, credential type, creation date, the last scanned activity, and even the credential status. To pull a credential report, let's start by opening up the Reports page and clicking on the Credentials tab. Now, hit that yellow button that says Add Report. First, give your report a name. Next, we need to narrow down what we're looking for. Click the Add Filter button and you'll see a bunch of different filter options. For this example, let's try to find out which cards were scanned last. So let's choose last scan date. Now we need to choose a set period of time that we want to look at. Open up the drop-down menu and select one of the provided options, or input a custom time. Next, we need to determine exactly what we want this report to display. To do this, click the Edit Fields button and select any information that you want to see, like first name, last scan details, credential type, and credential status. After determining your filters and outputs, hit the yellow Save button. To actually view the report, click the Preview Report button. This will show you up to 50 of the most recent entries for the filters and output options selected. Then you can hit the Submit button to officially run the report. The results of the report can be downloaded in the Retrieved Reports section. Reporting with PDK is super easy. ProdataKey is easy to use anytime, anywhere, and on any device. Watch the next video in this series for more how-to instructions.